Good evening and welcome to another room tour. I never know how to open up these videos, but there it is. Anyway, tonight is Thursday night and I am at the Alona Hotel in Strathclyde Park, next to M&D's Scotland's theme park. This room is a superior double room and it cost me £76.50. So it's a Thursday night for one night. So as usual, I am going to give you a room tour. This is what this video is about, and you all know where I'm going to start. So let's start at the front door. All the fire plans, just make sure you know where you are. You all know that stuff if you watch my videos and stay in hotels. Turn, simple as that. Mind your key when you come in. You need this key to go into your main switch to give you the power for your room. As you walk in, bear with me, the light isn't great in here, so the focus will go in and out. And as soon as you walk in, you've got this curtain area. Oops, I'm breaking the place. Hangers, safe, iron, and ironing board, and you can put your luggage in here, bag in here if need be. There's a drawer here, nice big drawer. This bit here I am going to leave to the end, near the end. I'll go there before the bathroom. There's a reason to that. The room, nice big room, so it is superior, so I have paid for a superior room. So spacious, very very spacious. Now I'm standing here, got long legs. Big steps to the bed to try and help visualise the space, but lots of space around the bed, nice and open. Massive mirror, huge mirror. Great feature of the room. And over here, I love this picture. I think it's a picture, I don't think it's a painting. I'll call it a picture. On the right hand side here, maybe for the left hand side for yourself, depending on the handling of the room, but here for me, hairdryer, this big desk with a drawer in it. You see very freebies, no freebies in the drawer, no pens in here. And then we've got this mirror, you've got me, light, double socket, Ethernet points, TV, Samsung TV, not a massive TV but does the job. In the corner here, two chairs. Now I've just sat in this chair just to chillax for a bit. Comfortable chair. Mind and move this. This was over here and I went to sit in it and smack my head on it, so just mind that the dust? No. Just mind if you're going to sit there that's there, don't do a me if you're going to do that. We've got blind option, curtains, and bedside drawers, nice big drawers. Old school phone, love an old school phone. Not seen that, oh that's been around for a long time. Not seen that for ages. Nice lamp. And another lamp here, another bedside table, same as over there, but good to see there's a USB points here. I was not expecting that here. However, this hotel is classed, that was my hand by the way, in case you were getting any funny ideas. This hotel is classed as a 4-star hotel, so it says that on the place that I booked this hotel, and yeah, it's nice. I mean, it is nice. It's clean. few shabby areas there, here and there, but you can live with that. I mean, it's not all going to be perfect. I can live with that. Some others wouldn't, but just try to be honest with you on my opinion. But yeah, so far it's nice. So what else we got? We've got a heater, radiator. Yeah, if it gets colder, too cold, or emergency. Aha, so in this cupboard, ready? It's a nice little area to have your tea. And look at this Strathclyde touch. You can't go wrong with caramel wafers, caramel wafers, why can I not speak? Caramel wafer, there we go. So yeah, good touch, hopefully that's free, doesn't get charged to the bill, so if I do I'll put that in the description after I edit the video, but I'm sure it'll be fine. There's coffees in there, tea, normal tea, no herbal tea, just normal tea. Yep. Kettle, milks, 2 cups or mugs. Leg press, I believe. Not that I've ever used one, but you can put it on there as a power and use that. So I thought that was a great touch. So well done, Alona. Good move. And into the bathroom. Now you've got a towel rail inside the bathroom. If you want to put that on, you press that obviously on, you come into the bathroom, it's a weird light, and there's the towel rail. So it's not actually blue in here, the place looks blue in this camera. I think it's because of my t-shirt, you see me. But it is not dark in here, there's 3 lights in here, but it's nice and calm and relaxing in my opinion. However, nice big walk-in shower, so a big wet room, walk-in shower here. You've got this overhead shower, you've got this handheld shower here, this tube looking thing. And then you've got a little corner basket thing. And then usual toilets, toilet roll, another toilet roll, bin. And your little soap, so we've got soap here, hand and body lotion there, shampoo and conditioner, bath and shower gel, good stuff. And then shaver only point, so 230 volt and 115 volt, nothing in there. We've got these mirrors, these 3 mirrors, it's a nice feature, makes it, I mean, it is a big bathroom to be fair, it's pretty big, so those mirrors make it look bigger. 2 glasses and some towels. Coat hook. Can't miss the coat hook. And just a normal thumb turn to lock the door behind you. So, yeah. What more can I say? Oh, that's weird, I look orange. And the view is of, I don't know if you can quite see that, oh you can't see that, there's a bit of a glare there, but when you come into reception, straight on, there's doors which takes you to this bit here. This must be a private function room. It sounds like they're doing some sort of testing or music or something. So this is great. I don't know if it's because it's a superior room, they've got these rooms in the back. It's quiet just now, I'm guessing if there's a function or something going on, it's going to be busy, it's going to be noise. But if you're attending this function, like a wedding or birthday or whatever, and you've got this room and you're going to be at that event, doesn't make a difference, that's ideal. But yeah, it's a nice room, look at the size. So, there's no space underneath the bed, you all know that I like space under the bed to slide things under. However, pardon me, I've got these hiccups and I can't get rid of the hiccups, great timing. Got space here, talking about bags in there, space under there, all this space here, and space in there. So it is superior, all that space there as well. Plenty of space. And like I said, you've got this light here with the two lights on it. So that's it. Not a lot more I can show, so apart from I'll do some walk-in videos, the lift, the hallway, some bits outside. You've got a separate car park outside. Yeah, that's it. So I think so far it's good value for money. This is during the week though, so I said £76.50. Thursday night. It's hard to judge. People are travelling, staycations again, or more, should I say, because we can't really get anywhere else. So are the prices okay? Are they average or they're not? But based on my opinion right now, booking this room for one night for that price, can't complain. Can't complain. You're next to Scotland's theme park, albeit it's not a huge theme park, but it's a theme park. And location wise, not far from Glasgow. You've got some other hotels here as well. You've got obviously Strathclyde Park. You've got Hamilton nearby. So yeah, all in all, it is good price, good location. You do get caramel wafers. See, I said it right. First time I said it right. You get them for free, hopefully. So you can't go wrong, can you? So yeah, that's it from this room tour, and hopefully it brings you some piece of knowledge and peace of mind. I'm really tired, to be fair. It is not getting late, it's just I'm probably getting old, and I've had a long day, to be honest. It's coming up for 9 o'clock at night. I've been on the go since 4 o'clock this morning. I had a very busy day, so yeah, I'm just tired, so apologies for that. If you have any questions, leave the questions in the comments below, or follow me on social media. So my channel name, my name on YouTube and Instagram is MacBlogs, so MacBlogs. My real name is Ian, and all the links below for my social media to keep up to date. I mainly use YouTube and Instagram. I am trying my best on the likes of Twitter and Facebook. So Facebook is the MacBlogs, and Twitter, this is bad, is it MacBlogs1? What chance have you got if I can't get it right? But it's all below there in the description box. Have a look at it. I do have a Patreon as well, so I've set that up if anyone wants to support me or support this channel, just to keep me going, keep me motivated, and bring you more hotel room tours and other tours once we can get abroad as well. You can watch my previous videos to understand why I said it that way, because it's frustrating just now for all of us that we can't get away, and my main plan is to get away to somewhere special, Orlando, but let's not talk about that, because if you watch my videos previously you'll be sick of me saying that. Anyway, thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you will, if you can, if you feel like watching me in the future. So no pressure, but give me a like, give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you all soon on the next hotel tour, vlog, experience, whatever that I plan to do. So again, thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.